Hey everyone, it's Andrew. I'm coming at you with a quick tutorial on how I do my brush letters. So, here it comes. Okay everyone, so this is my tutorial on how to do brush lettering. So I'm going to take you through the alphabet, and I'm going to tell you some of the key things to work on when you're working on your brush lettering. So the first and most important thing is that you're going to want to get some thick downstrokes. So you're going to apply more pressure to the pen, and then light upstrokes, which will make it a thinner line. Now I'm using the Tombow dual brush markers. They're very popular in the community for bullet journaling and calligraphy. They're good for firmness and giving you control over the letter. I'll show you all the colors of the primary set, which is what I have, besides the brown, black, and yellow, since yellow is harder to read. But yeah, the most important thing is having thick downstrokes and light and thin upstrokes, which is really cool. Now I'm using the orange, which is fun. We love pride and having all the representation through these colors. I'm also trying to keep it nice and quiet in a hushed tone so you guys can have like some ASMR vibes. Hopefully that's getting through. Who knows? Maybe not. I don't know what else to say about it. With lettering, you have to make sure that the pen is going slowly. You don't want to rush the letters. I sped up this video. It's about 1.5 speed of what it's actually supposed to be going, so you can see it's pretty slow. That's just so that you don't get too many mistakes and that you can really take your time with getting some nice lines without too much wobble or sputtering. And it's totally what you should be doing, where you should be lifting your pen. You don't want to like continue, even when you're writing longer words, you don't want to like leave your pen down for the entirety of the word. You should be picking it up and restarting so you can get your hand in the right position to do the next letter. And it'll just come with time and practice of knowing when to take your pen off the paper, and you'll get better the more you do it. So don't stress too much. Also, this is just an idea for some letters. After you get comfortable with these letters, you can try your own versions. You can try maybe adding little swirlies and loop-de-loops in areas that I didn't add them, or you can just maybe take some of those out if you didn't like them so much. But this will get you some good practice on, just starting if you don't have any idea of how to do a brush letter. M's my favorite. I like making the tops of the M's come lower. I think that's a cool effect, so I really enjoy making them. Okay, so that's pretty much all I have to say about brush lettering. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll get to you as fast as I can. And I hope you guys have fun practicing these brush letters. Okay guys, so that's the end of this video. If you found it at all helpful, please hit that like button, or if you want some more helpful content, subscribe and we can do some more tutorials. So, see you guys next time.